Let's start with a champorado brownie. Melt 3/4 cup of chocolate compound in a microwave and mix well until smooth. Add 1/2 cup unsalted butter and mix well until melted. Add the remaining ingredients such as 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup cooked champorado, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon glucose syrup, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Transfer the mixture in a baking pan lined with parchment paper and bake in a preheated oven until the top is almost dry. Chill overnight in the refrigerator before cutting into cubes. Let's make candied anchovies. Fry 50 grams of small anchovies in a preheated oil until crispy. Drain well after frying. In a pan, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Heat the mixture under low to medium heat while stirring constantly until thick. Add the fried anchovies and mix well to coat evenly. Place cooked anchovy in a greased container and set aside. Let's make the soy sauce Garamel. Combine 3/4 cup of white sugar and 1/8 cup water in a heavy bottom pot and mix well. Cook the mixture under moderate heat without stirring. Brush sides with little water to prevent crystallization. Turn off heat when it is lightly brown in color. Gently add 1/2 cup of coconut cream and mix well. Under low heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue stirring until low heat until thickened. Transfer in a glass jar and chill before using. Let's make the ice cream base. In a pot, combine 250 ml of all-purpose cream and 60 grams of Malagos unsweetened chocolate and heat until dissolved. Turn off heat once the chocolate is melted. Add 1 can Thai coconut milk, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Mix well until combined. Heat the mixture under low fire while stirring constantly until thickened. Transfer the mixture in a shallow freezer-proof glass container. Put cling wrap on top to prevent dried film. Age the mixture in a refrigerator overnight. After aging, place it in a freezer for at least 30 minutes. Remove ice cream from the freezer and place over a container with ice cubes and added with salt. Beat the mixture using a hand mixer for at least 10 minutes. Return in the freezer for at least 30 minutes and beat again. Repeat this process for at least 3 times or until the mixture is thick. It is now time to assemble the ice cream. Spread a first layer of ice cream base in a tin can. Drizzle with soy sauce Garamel. Top with cubed Champorado brownie and cacao nibs. Spread another layer of ice cream base, which is the final layer. Top with cubed Champorado brownie, cacao nibs, and candied anchovies. Make sure to provide enough headspace for expansion during freezing. Freeze the ice cream overnight.